Thank you for joining Veronica's DecorLab in our contribution to yet another challenge and collaboration hosted by Kimberly Davis over at Diva, Designing on a Dime, and Kenya at Kenya's Decor Corner. Here we have a beautiful place setting for our tablescape, which is flanked by gold flatware as well as blue glass plateware and a lovely copper charger. So come along and take a tour of our tablescape. Our DIY, which is the one requirement that we were supposed to have for this particular challenge, is our bedazzled pumpkins. And we will place a iCard where you can take a look at that DIY of how we bedazzled those pumpkins. Our place settings are put together from items from Pier 1, as well as gifts from family members and inherited pieces, such as the golden flatware. And here is the closer look of the larger pumpkin, in which we made out of a fish bowl from Walmart. And of course, gemstones, which you can pick up at Walmart or either Dollar Tree. We wanted to showcase rich tones as far as the browns, the golds, and the coppers. And of course, we wanted that punch of blue because blue is a favorite color around these parts. We do thank you for stopping by to take a look at our tablescape. And we want to thank Kenya and Kimberly Davis for letting this be an open collaboration where we can showcase our contribution of what we think fall should look like. In the background, you will see a lovely centerpiece made of a floral arrangement that was done by us here at Veronica's DecorLab, as well as a revamped dresser turned into a buffet. We here at Veronica's DecorLab believe in DIYing majority of what it is that we like. We just want to be able to showcase our talents here. And we thank you again, Kimberly and Kenya, for allowing us to participate. And if you haven't already done so, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. We'd love to have you over here at Veronica's DecorLab, where we can showcase many more DIYs, such as this lovely flower arrangement, and as our bedazzled pumpkins. And we love place settings. Again, here we have the golden flatware surrounded by the amber napkin rings, the rim soup bowl, which is a part of a blue place setting that was a part of an Avon collection. This was something that was given to me by my mother, who was an Avon representative. And the amber salad plates for a TJ Maxx line. And of course, the copper charges are from Pier 1. And the lovely blue place settings came with stemware to match. We never say goodbye, we always say so long. So please come again to Veronica's DecorLab.